Hey guys, how's it going? How to restore closed tabs in Brave browser. So let's have an example. You closed that, you closed that all of a sudden, right? You closed the browser, right? And you want to restore it. There's, two ways that you can actually, do that, or you manage to do that. One of them is just go ahead and click right here, the Brave browser, and as you can see right here, they will save it automatically. So you don't have to do anything actually to get it back, as long as you just close the tab without doing any extra steps right here, and you're gonna be able to restore it. Another way of doing it, just click the hamburger right here icon at the top right, and then just go ahead right here and see the history. Click on the history right here, and you're gonna see your where did you land, where did you land the last couple minutes or the last few hours. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.